Let's fill out the Louisiana dirt bike bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Today we're walking you through what this state requires for a dirt bike bill of sale. So let's keep it simple and clear. First, let's talk about who needs to sign. The bill of sale must be signed by 2 people, who will attest based on their own personal knowledge. So make sure you have both of those signatures in place before moving forward. Now, for the seller's information. The full legal name and license number of the individual applicant must be included. Don't leave those details out because they are specifically required. When it comes to notarization, the original notarized manufacturer certificate must be submitted to the department within 60 days. So keep that deadline in mind and don't wait too long after the sale is complete. For the bill of sale itself, remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.